Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by isolating variables. Unplug all external drives, but keep keyboard and mouse. Once done, force 3 failed boots or boot from a Windows 10 recovery USB to reach advanced startup. Make sure to write down the blue screen error code and any recent driver installs or Windows updates because those clues guide repair choices. You will need to access Troubleshoot Advanced options. That's where you'll choose tools like Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt to begin targeted fixes. Once in Advanced options, run Startup Repair first to automate simple fixes, and then boot into Safe Mode to see if the system starts with minimal drivers. If Safe Mode works, uninstall recent drivers or updates that likely caused the crash. Make sure to try System Restore if you have a restore point. It reverses problematic changes. If corruption is suspected, open Command Prompt and run chkdsk/f on the system drive, then sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. These two commands often resolve deep file errors. After repairs, reinstall the correct drivers from your PC Maker's website rather than using generic drivers, and then test stability with normal use. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a Reset This PC or a Clean Windows install as a last resort. That clears persistent system corruption. If even a clean install fails, run memory and hard drive diagnostics and note failing component names for warranty or technician support. One troubleshooting tip: if blue screens continue, swap RAM sticks and test one at a time to isolate bad memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.